The student perk po talaga, membership, priority in the reply, and then live chat. The next one is the SWILI board exam. Ano yung kagandahan dito, sir? Kayo ngayon na nag-review sa akin ngayon, all the videos, lahat ng video ko na nare-record ko ngayon, later ipopost ko yan lahat sa membership sa SWILI board examinee na 129 per month, makaka-access na sila habang buhay anytime. Kasi the moment kasi you join, iba na po ang mangyayari sa interface mo as YouTube viewer. No? So, ganun po. And maybe at some point, nakatulong yung channel ni Sir James sa inyo, meron tayong membership na registered social worker. O, di ba? I-declare mo na yan. Maybe, actually, maliit pa lang nga to eh. O natulungan ba talaga kita? Ang iba nga eh, sa mga prank lang, yung mga prank na mga at some point parang kagaguhan lang ba? Sometimes disrespectful na sa iba. Willing nga mag-commit ng 1,000, tag-1,000 sa membership. Dito pa kaya na natulungan kita to become a professional at some point. So pag social worker ka na, I'm so thankful. No, I'm so thankful, and our advocacy still remains, still stand, no, to help other people who are struggling financially in their account. So this is that, no? So meron po siyang perks, at some point it will help you guys. You will be part. No, you will be part of the help to other students. No, as I help you, you help me. It's a mutual symbiotic. There's a helping na nangyari.